This is OLED display, 1.3 inches. OLED, organic light emitting diode display. And it has a pin out you can see here it's ground, BCC, SCL, SDA, SCL serial clock, SDA serial data. So we're going to use I2C communication protocol or inter-integrated circuit. At the back we have the OLED name, IIC, I2C or IIC, and then here the address and also the SMD components, just a pin header for the jumper wires. So our objective is to create analog clock to this display by using this display and Fabricat's Arduino Uno Microcontroller. So we're going to make an analog clock to this display. Now let us we're going to upload the code for the Arduino Uno for the analog clock display we're going to make. We have now the module connected to the Arduino Uno, we are done with uploading the code. So we connected this module to the Arduino, 5 volts, then ground. That is the supply of this display. And then the clock SCL connected to A5, analog 5, SDA serial data, analog 4. So only 4 wires. Okay, and then to power the circuit, the module, we're going to use this 9 volts barrel jack, and this is now the analog clock. So it runs as long as it has a battery. We can adjust the time in the code by changing the hours and the minutes and then the hands. But here it is 6:15. So this is the analog clock. We created an analog clock using this display with the use of Arduino Uno, and then the supply of 9 volts. We now have the figure 1 analog clock using OLED display with Arduino Uno circuit diagram. So this is the wirings. Here is the analog clock inside the OLED display. And we are using 9 volts for the supply of Arduino Uno. The positive connected, or the port it is connected to the port, and then the Arduino is grounded. Or we cannot or we can simply not use this, but here the connection or the wirings between OLED Arduino Uno is ground to ground. The supply of the OLED is 5 volts from Arduino, and then the serial clock connected to A5, and then serial data connected to A4. Okay, and then what is the communication mode? How will the data flow, or what is the direction of the data transfer here? What is the communication mode? It is half duplex. And the communication protocol we're using is I2C, using only 2 wires for the data and for the clock. I2C or IIC, inter-integrated circuit. So we're using only Arduino Uno Microcontroller as the master, and then the slave is the OLED. One master, one slave. And what is the communication mode? Half duplex. It means when this Arduino Uno is transferring data or transmitting data here through data lines with the use of the clock, it flows in one direction. It transmits in one direction, and then after receiving by the OLED, it will now get the response from the OLED back to the master. So it is bidirectional, but one at a time. Transmit here, receive by this, and then transmit this, receive by Arduino Uno. Transmit by the Arduino Uno to the OLED, then OLED responding, transmit, receiving it, then transmit it back to the Arduino Uno. It is half duplex, just like a walkie-talkie radio. We cannot, it cannot transmit and receive at the same time because it is using only two lines. Using one data lines and one clock, serial clock line. So that is half duplex. And the communication mode is half duplex, and the communication protocol uses I2C using two lines. So that is how they are connected. Oh, walkie-talkie. This Arduino Uno serves as the master, and then the slave is the OLED. From PC, we upload the code, and the code we can adjust the time of the analog clock by changing it or changing the code. Into the code there is time and hours, hour, second, minute. We can change the time, or you can adjust the time here of the analog. And when we are uploading the code, when we settings this Arduino Uno, what is the driver, display driver used to work or to be used for the OLED display? The display driver is SSD1306 Display Driver. So we install this display driver SSD1306 in our demo. And to work with the OLED display, with the animations and then the graphics, we need a library for that. And I'm using U8glib library for to work with the display animations or the graphics or the text of the display. We need this library. So we install also this U8glib library. And for the display driver, we are using SSD1306. We also install this. You need to install this SSD driver and then this library so that this OLED display will work. And the size of this is 1.3 inches. The pixel is 128 by 64 pixel. So this is OLED, organic light emitting diode. It has its own light. It has its own light. It has no background light or backlighting, LED backlighting. That is OLED. It can produce its own LED or light on the LED. That's why it's called organic light emitting diode. It can produce its own light. And then that is our analog clock. Uploading the code using the driver 1306 SSD or the OLED display. And then for the graphics library, U8G library. So that we can use this OLED display. The graphics, text animation for the display. And then the connection, we're using the I2C communication protocol or 2 lines. Data lines and clock lines together with 5 volts and the ground. And then for the communication mode, how they communicate, the master and the slave is half duplex, transmitting this end, this side to the other end, and then receive. This become transmitter now. It transmit to the other. It will receive here. So transmit and receive one at a time. So that is half duplex, just like a walkie-talkie.